this year 2025 civil service preliminary examination. So total we have only 106 days. So 106 days as on today is the 7th February 2025. So 106 days is very crucial actually. If you can, these days will make you or break it. You can make it and break it, because in an average at least you can spend 12 hours per day. So totally around 1300 hours you have left. Approximately you have 1300 hours left with you. I am saying this is for an average if you are spending 12 hours per day. So we have to strategize this 106 days. So as long as so we have to approach two papers, GS1 and GS2. So first we will see the GS1, that is general studies. So we already seen the syllabus. So seven topics are there: history, geography, polity, environment, science and tech, current affairs, and economics. So seven topics are there. So seven topics very important. So now you focus mainly on prelims, because prelims nowadays very tough. Okay. So basically, what we need, what we require to clear prelims is entire source of data, every day source to be in one place. So whatever you studied in 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 years, so all the sources should be in one place, and then revise it as much as you can. Minimum 5 times you have to revise. So then only you can able to remember, because it's not about the knowledge you have. The knowledge you have to apply. So first important thing was that you have to revise at least 5 times whatever sources you read. Don't read too much of static part. Whatever the static part you read already. For example, this history, geography, economics, then environment science. These are more than enough. Whatever read in NCERT, what we already told the sources. Okay, whatever the source you read, you just year after you have to revise 5 times in a span of 10 days, 15 days once. Then whatever you revised, you have to take the questions from the topic you read it. So questions maybe you can take the previous prelims papers or any test series. Okay, so once you revise, then take the test. Then at least you could have been solved before the prelims 15,000 questions. I mean to say 15,000 questions. That means at least 150 question papers. It is very easy actually. Now 106 days are there. Daily at least 100 questions. 100 questions, not maximum. It will take 3 hours or 2.5 hours, including the solving, not only tick marking. So minimum 15,000 questions, or at least 10,000 questions you could have been solved before taking the prelims, because these are very important. So practice is very important than your reading actually. So apart from that, 10-year previous questions. So that 10,000 questions, then a 10-year previous question. Previous questions you will get definitely at least 5 to 6 questions from the previous questions. So 5 to 6 questions mean what? 10 marks. 10 marks is very huge in prelims. So getting 10 marks very important. Then each day at least that's what 15,000 questions. You practice for each day 50 questions or 75 questions or 100 as per your convenience. But you have to practice 10,000 questions. So how only solving the questions is not important. Then after that you have to learn what the mistake you made. The next test you have to eliminate those mistakes. For example, every question has a four options. In these four options, every that four option, one option will tell one story, or it will make it, it itself makes one question actually. So that is very important. So what are the previously we told actually the last year previous question paper we solved. So how to solve, you watch those videos and accordingly you solve that, and you learn from that. Then again, take the test series seriously. The test series are actual test. You have to replicate what you're going to do in the actual test. Okay, so this is very important. So test series, weekly once, very serious. It's like a, you take so many test series available in the market. So you take any of the test series. Now we have at least 15 weeks. So you practice 15 tests, including a CSAT and GS. CSAT you may skip, but GS you take seriously. Okay. Though how to the what we told previously, that was fifth point. Take this series very seriously and learn from it what are the mistakes you done, and then try to eliminate those mistakes, because in every test you will learn, in every solving one question you will learn so many things. Okay, that you replicate in other questions, in future questions. So this is what your strategy should be. So minimum 5 times the revision, and then 10,000 questions, then 10-year previous questions, and then UPSC questions of the 3 previous years. All the, for example, CAPF is there, CDS examination is there, NDA examination is there, EPFO examination is there, Indian Engineering Service examination is there. So at least not 3 years, at least 2 years, previous year and this year. So you can able to see the trend, what the UPSC expecting this year, kind of current affairs questions, then map based questions. Map based questions, it will repeat many times. It was repeated in current affairs also. It's many times it was repeated from NDA exam and CAPF exam. So you take the this year's UPSC other examinations questions seriously, and then try to solve it. So this is a broad sketch you can follow for this year examination. Then again for GS2, that is CSAT. CSAT you practice, don't take CSAT very lightly, because so many toppers are, prelims toppers are failed in CSAT. So try to that. Try to take seriously as a CSAT as a serious paper. Okay. So at least each topic per day you practice one topic. For example, time and motion, then clock, then ages, then relationships, then that's what blood relationship, like that. Either in quants also, and then reasoning also, and then spend at least 1 hour per day, because even engineers and people from the top universities and institutions are there failing in the CSAT, because the CSAT has become like a cat examination. Okay, so take CSAT seriously. No need to fear. CSAT required time management, and then confidence in the solving the comprehensions. Okay, so this is what the broad guidance we gave. Then coming days I will tell you how to revise also, because the revision, I said only 5 times you revise. How you can revise it should be on the, some timeline should be there. Okay, some timeline or periodically you have to revise, so that you can inculcate in your brain. So, all the best for this year examination. Thank you.